In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set desktop alerts for rules and subfolders in Microsoft Outlook, making sure you never miss an important email again. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're a beginner, you'll find this guide easy to follow and implement. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll need to log into Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't already, open up your web browser and navigate to the Outlook login page. Once there, click on the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. Enter your credentials to access your account. If you're already logged in, this step will naturally be a swift transition for you. Now that you're on the Outlook homepage, you'll notice various options at your disposal to customize your email experience. Our focus today is on setting desktop alerts for specific email rules and subfolders, a feature that's incredibly handy for managing your emails more efficiently and staying alert for incoming important messages. Once logged in, let's go ahead and navigate to the main Outlook area. From there, you should see a menu on the left that includes options like Inbox, Sent Items, and more. Focus on the navigation options to enter the mail settings. You'll want to click on Mail, which will take us deeper into the Outlook settings. Inside the settings menu, look for the section labeled Rules. This is where the magic happens. By setting rules, you have the flexibility to manage your incoming emails based on various conditions. It's a powerful way to automatically organize your inbox and set alerts for specific emails. Click on the option that says Add New Rule. This is where you'll define the conditions under which your desktop alert will trigger. When creating a new rule, you'll have options to specify criteria such as the sender's address, specific words in the subject line, or even the presence of certain attachments. It's entirely up to you to define how these rules should apply, but make sure to align them with your needs for the desktop alerts. After setting up your conditions, it's crucial to ensure that you select the option to display a desktop alert. This is what will cause a notification to pop up on your screen whenever the emails meeting your criteria arrive. With this method, you can effortlessly customize what deserves your immediate attention and separate it from the rest of your incoming mail. And there you have it. You've successfully set up desktop alerts for rules and subfolders in Microsoft Outlook. Now, you'll be able to manage your emails more effectively and stay on top of important communications without constantly checking your inbox. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it adds value to your daily workflow. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.